Yeah, y'all, I'm super excited right now because right now we in here getting ready for the grand opening of SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE clothing. That's right. SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE is the only clothes in the world that play music, video, scan for contacts, contactless clothing. It'll call your phone, whatever you want it to do. And I'm the inventor right here. And right now we over here at the mall opening this store. Spin around and show them the mall. Let them know we ain't playing. Walk out there in the street. We out here late. Just show them quickly where we at. See, right now we at Clifton Park Mall right now. The grand opening is coming. Stand back. Let's get to it. Come on. Come on here. Let's see what it is. You're only getting the preview right quick. Let's get to it. Come on. Let me show you. SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE. You see it. Now check it out. Where else have you seen floating sneakers at? All designed by me right here at SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE. When you come here, you get scannable clothing. You get customized clothing that will have your face on it, playing your music video or whatever you want, or we can do whatever you like right here at SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE. That's what it's for. Check us out. So we got a crazy sneaker line. It's on the way. Y'all pay attention. So now we can get all these clothes, jackets, sneakers, customized for you. Or you can buy the stuff that we already got. So like I said, we at the mall and we opening the stores coming real soon. Major grand opening. Come on. So now we got a couple of websites where you can go and do your custom orders, and right here is where we're gonna do that order for you and ship it back to you when it's playing your music video or whatever you like at SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE, baby. Spin with me. You see it right there. CEO and President. It's me, your boy Anthony Leach, the CEO and President, patent and trademark owner of SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE, baby. The only clothes in the world that will play music. The only clothes in the world that add technology to it. We make memories last a lifetime at SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE, baby. So definitely, I want y'all to make sure you come down to the store so you can experience the best thing on earth right now. It's SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE, y'all. The new website is coming. You're going to be able to do over your custom orders. Everything is going to be perfect for you guys. Get with it. SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE. It's me, your boy Tom Bomb, Anthony Leach. Y'all know what it is. We going big with this. Let's get to it. SOUNDWEAR STREAMLINE, baby.